I'm going to show you how to make this cute little graduation gnome. It's very simple to make. It'll take less than 30 minutes. So this will be the finished product. Here are the supplies that we're going to need. I have an adult male sock, and we just need the foot part, so we're going to cut this at the heel. You could use this section to make a second one as well. You would just need to sew it across one end. So we're going to use the foot of the sock. And then for the hat, we're going to use a sheet of felt. And we're going to use some cardboard in the hat to stabilize it. And then I have some embroidery thread for the tassel. And then for the filling of the sock, I'm going to be using rice, but you could also use beans, plastic poly pellets, whatever you want to use to weigh it down. For the hat, I've already cut up my felt right here. The tops of the hat are 4.5 inches square, and then I cut a 2-inch tall strip across the width of the felt fabric. You're also going to need a wooden ball for the nose. And then the most important part is some faux fur. And I got mine at Joann's. So I'm going to start out by making the body of the gnome, and I'm going to use a little hair tie to close it. We're going to use 2 cups of rice. And I have a canning jar funnel that I'm going to use that will make it a little easier to pour into. And when I put it in there, it doesn't make it very big, so I hold it at the top and press down to get it into the bottom of the sock. And then I'll do that one more time. And again, I'm just gonna hold it at the top of the sock and just press all of the rice down until it makes a nice ball shape. And I'm going to use my hair tie to tie it off. You could also add more rice if you'd like it to be a taller gnome. I'm going to cut off the excess of the sock. And then I also wanted to tie string around it just in case over time the hair elastic disintegrates. The string will help keep it tied. The color of the string doesn't matter because it's going to be hidden. So there's our gnome body. Next, I need my faux fur. And when you're cutting faux fur, you want to cut on the back of the fabric, not on the side where the fur is. I'm going to use an X-Acto knife, and I only want to cut the backing. I don't want to cut the faux fur, so I'm just going to cut the very top layer with my X-Acto knife and peel it apart. And then we're going to hot glue this onto the body. And I measured ahead of time what size to make this. This is about 3 inches by 3.5 inches. And you can play around with how long you want it. This is going to go to the very bottom. You could make it shorter if you'd like. So in order to hot glue this on, I'm just going to put a bead of hot glue on the top here. And I'm going to attach this pretty close to the top. It's butting all the way up against the tied top. And now we're going to assemble the hat. I'm going to make the tassel first, and I'm using embroidery thread. And so I'm going to wrap it around my finger quite a few times to make the tassel part. And at the bottom, I'm going to cut these open. And this long one that I kept, I'm going to wrap around to hold it all together. And then my last wrap around is going to be looser so I can tie a knot. And I'm going to trim that off. I'm going to use the extra I'm going to send it through the middle. I'm going to tie it at the top, and this will be how I attach it to the hat. Off this extra tail here. Now on one of my pieces of felt, I'm going to fold it in half and just cut a tiny little slit. And I'm going to feed the tail of this tassel through there. Get the tassel wherever I want it to hang. I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm just going to put a dab of hot glue for the tail. Being careful not to burn myself. Now I'm going to take the cardboard, and I cut it so that it's just small enough to fit inside of the square. I'm going to place hot glue around all 4 edges. place this one on top with the tassel on the top side and press it down. And my cardboard will give it some stability so that it stays, it keeps its shape. Now this is going to be the part of the hat that goes around the head. So I'm just going to put a bead of glue on one end of it. And secure that. Before you do that, you might want to make sure that that size fits on your gnome, but it should fit pretty well, just like that. And then to attach the top of the hat on to the bottom part, I'm just going to run a bead of glue on the very top. I'm going to make sure I glue the hat with the seam on the back. And this time I'm going to put the bead of glue on the very inside so that when I place it on his head, it will glue down. And then I'm going to press down where that glue is right on the inside so that it could adhere to the top of the gnome's head as it's drying. Now the last step is to give him his nose. I'm using a 1-inch wooden ball, and I want it right up against the hat. I am going to split the hairs a bit. Place the hot glue on my ball. And put it in place. And now he is all done. It's super quick. You don't need a lot of tools to make this. And another fun thing to do is to give him a little mustache. I think they turned out super cute.
Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our great sewing tutorials and tips. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content.